Hi, I am Kafri and this channel is about hula hooping. In this video, I will explain you a great mystery of all hula hoop spins. Yeah, sounds amazing, like, wow, with one video I can do everything. Yes, somehow it is possible because you will understand the movement that you have to perform to keep the hula hoop spinning, okay? And I will explain it also giving an example, a hand spin tutorial. So stay with me until the end of this video and not only you will get to know about the great mystery, but also you will learn how to hand spin. So, what is this great mystery of all hoop spins? Let's take a closer look on waist hooping. If you haven't seen the full tutorial, the links are in the description below. But simply speaking and shortly speaking, it is about pushing your hoop every time it meets your belly button. So the hoop spins around your waist, and each time it meets with your belly button, you will be pushing it towards front. Then it will spin again, you will hide your belly button back to the back, and with the next meeting, again you will push it. So the motion of the body itself will look more or less like this. Front, back, front, back, front, back. Okay? How can we call it? Pulsation. This is the great mystery of all hoop spins. Either you are hooping around your neck, shoulders, chest, solar plexus, waist, hips, knees, whichever part of your body, you will be pulsating and pushing the hoop to give it a motion, to give it a momentum. Let's take a look at knees hooping, for example. I'm pushing the hoop with my leg in a horizontal plane towards the front, creating a pulsation of my leg. Let's take a look at it without the hoop. I will be pushing the hoop towards the front from my knee or from above my knee, creating this pulsation movement. So let's take it into practice and let's skip the next part, the hand spin tutorial. As you can see, for the needs of this video, I've prepared 3 different hula hoops to show you the difference, because hand spinning is a little more delicate operation and you might want to grab a smaller, lighter hula hoop for this one. However, if you are only in possession of a big hula hoop, it will do, but be careful and pay attention on your, how you feel about this, because it can bring you harm, it can bring you some scratches with a super big hula hoop. So I would recommend grabbing a smaller hula hoop. If you have a medium hula hoop, this is a 90 centimeter PE pipe hula hoop, like a dance hoop. It is quite weighty, quite heavy, okay? This one is a sports shop. I would say it's HDPE, 85 centimeters dance hula hoop, which is like a medium weight. I would call it 300 grams. And this is a super lightweight, 180 grams HDPE hula hoop. Small diameter is like 70 centimeters. And I would go for this one, but if you have something like this, it will serve you good as well. Let's skip to the tutorial. So, how can you begin the motion of pulsation with your hand that we mentioned before? You will grab the hoop either from the inner surface, lying it down on your hand, and you will be swinging it and creating this motion, or you will grab a hoop from the inner surface so that it's lifted up like this, and you will let it drop on one side. This is how you can start the motion, or you can, the third option, you can push the hoop with the other hand like this. Okay, so you know the basics of beginning the movement and how does the movement itself looks like. So once I've started the movement, I want to continue it like I'm shaking somebody's hand. So again, I'm creating this movement of pulsation, this time not front and back, but up and down, up and down. Pay attention on the position of my hand. Thumb facing up, the rest of the fingers is straight. like this. Okay, so I'm placing the hoop on my hand. I will begin with a swing, but remember, you can also begin from here, dropping it down, or pushing it with the other hand. Okay, so we are beginning the movement, and we will continue it by pulsating up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, try it. What can we add to understand the movement even better is a little bending, bouncy legs. Okay, try it like this. So each time the hoop goes down, you want to go down with it, and each time the hoop goes up, you want to go up with it. And we are pulsating with our hoop, creating this motion. Continue without bouncy legs, and try to catch the moment when the hoop is down and up. Try to observe it. Okay, if this hand hurts a little, you can easily pass to the other hand by placing the other hand inside, super close to the other one, and switching them. Again, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. All right? If you feel dizzy or if it's boring, you can try going the other direction. So again, we will begin either by swinging or pushing it, or dropping it down from this position. Again, we go up and down, placing the other hand inside and switching them. Great! Now you know what hooping is all about. So grab your hoop and let's spin it up. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, share it in the comments, leave me a like button. Subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. There will be lots of tutorials, tips and hints about hula hooping itself. There will be also a guidance into a safety hula hooping, so warm-ups and cool-downs. Follow the channel, follow my social media, let's stay in touch. And yeah, write me a comment if this video was helpful for you. Maybe you have some additional doubts, maybe you want to add something to this topic. See you again!